Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Soundcore A30i. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and now these earbuds are disconnected from your phone. And after that just remove it from the charging case and check maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, now we should wait for the connection. But we can also click here if you don't want to reconnect automatically. Now, if these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and now press and hold both of the touch areas for at least 10 seconds. So, press and hold. Here we go. After that, we should remove earbuds and edit. So, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device. Forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now, after hard reset, it entered operating mode automatically, so we can see it as the device list. Just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!